It is Friday. It's 5 o'clock, and somewhere, maybe you're having a drink. In fact, many of you may be, as alcohol sales have climbed during the pandemic. Despite that, though, Jason Allen reports tonight some North Texas distilleries who make those spirits are struggling to survive.
The quick decision this spring to fill fewer barrels with whiskey in favor of filling bottles with hand sanitizer has helped keep Fort Worth's Acre Distilling in business. But those orders are tailing off, and orders to put their spirits on store shelves?
The last order they placed with us was, 6 weeks ago.
Owner Tony Formby believes his craft distillery will make it. But some surveys are finding more than 40% of craft distillers won't survive a 3-month shutdown. That's despite alcohol sales being up 27% in stores, and online, they've more than doubled.
Most distilleries, over half their revenue, and ours is about 70%, comes from the bar on the weekends and the tours and the bottle sales at the distillery.
Todd Gregory is about to see his Black-Eyed Distilling stay closed for the 9th straight weekend. He has bottles in stores, but buyers are leaning more toward big brands they know, and craft distillers aren't part of the buying spree. They're also limited by state laws that don't allow them to ship spirits to customers, and a limit of selling 2 bottles every 30 days to someone directly from the distillery. Dozens of state representatives have signed on to a letter urging the governor to waive that law.
They can come to the distillery and buy 4 bottles or buy, 8 bottles. So it's worth us staying open to have a $100 ticket, right?
Distillers are hoping to reopen tasting rooms as soon as bars get the green light to reopen doors. But they know that business with tours and group events is likely going to be limited for months to come. In Fort Worth, Jason Allen, CBS 11 News.